What are the best banks for college students? Many banks cater to college students by providing deposit accounts. Some of them are excellent, while others are not. When searching for a bank to rely on as a college student, look for bank accounts that offer the following features: no or easily avoided monthly fees, robust overdraft policies, high interest rates, vast ATM networks, and online banking. The accounts offered by the banks in this video include all or most of these characteristics. But first, let's go through what to look for in the best banks for college students. What to look for in a student bank account. Bank accounts designed exclusively for students have various distinguishing features that set them distinct from conventional accounts. The following are the important ones to check for while creating a bank account. No minimum balance requirements. In the past, account holders were needed to maintain a certain dollar amount in their account in order to enjoy certain service perks and keep their accounts open. These restrictions do not apply to student bank accounts. Overdraft protection. The majority of student bank accounts include an overdraft protection feature. This is effectively a no-cost loan that allows students to exceed their debt by an agreed-upon amount without incurring additional fees or interest. Lower fees. The majority of institutions charge low fees for these accounts. Monthly service fees are not required for students, and money transfers between accounts are often free of charge. ATM convenience. This is another crucial factor to consider when researching student banking choices. The bank you choose should be easily accessible with thousands of ATMs located around the country. Ideally, your bank should also offer fee-free ATM services and compensation for ATM fees. Online banking. For a huge portion of the population, online banking has become the principal method of conducting monetary transactions. Banking operations can be completed online, which is very helpful for students who do not have the time to go to a physical facility every time a requirement arises. To that purpose, the bank you select should provide complete online banking services. This encompasses everything from money transfers and direct payments to bill payments. Best banks for college students. When it comes to student bank accounts, it is reasonable to assume that there are numerous options to consider. In truth, there are numerous banks that provide services tailored to the demands of various students. The following is a list of some of the best student banking choices in 2021. 1. Chase Bank. Chase Bank is one of the country's largest banking organizations. Their goods and services encompass the entire spectrum of retail banking, and their nationwide presence includes numerous branches and a vast ATM network throughout the United States. Chase Bank's checking account should be especially appealing to students. In fact, it has all of the features you'd expect from a student bank account. There are no monthly fees for college students, overdraft protection to help you avoid overdraft penalties on all debit card purchases, and the online banking app attached to the account is simple to use and offers a variety of helpful options, such as online bill payments and mobile deposits. The Chase College Checking Account includes a debit card that may be used at over 16,000 ATMs and over 4,700 Chase Bank branches nationwide. Withdrawing monies from a Chase Bank branch is free. However, withdrawals from a non-Chase ATM incur a $2.50 ATM fee. Bear in mind that the ATM operator may charge you a convenience fee as well. What makes Chase Bank great for students? The Chase College Checking Account is an excellent choice for students aged 17 to 24. There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Students can also use Zelle for fast transfers and set up account alerts to receive notifications for any significant account activity. Furthermore, the bank is presently offering a $100 bonus to students who register a Chase College Checking Account and engage in qualifying activities. 2. TD Bank. TD Bank is the commercial banking branch of the Canadian TD Bank Group, situated in the United States. The bank's presence is focused on the East Coast, and its branches are open 7 days a week. The bank provides quick transfers via Zelle and a variety of checking and saving account options for students aged 17 to 23. Customers who want to open a TD Bank account have two options: TD Convenience Checking or TD Simple Savings. The checking account has no minimum balance requirement, no monthly maintenance costs, and a variety of benefits, including overdraft protection and contactless debit cards. The savings account has no minimum deposit requirement, which is useful if you're a college student with little cash. Furthermore, students and elders are exempt from the monthly cost. What makes TD Bank great for students? Without a doubt, the best feature of TD Bank is its excellent customer service. Customers get 24-hour access to a service representative who may assist them in resolving issues or answering questions about a specific product. This is useful for students who are opening a bank account for the first time and are unfamiliar with the services available to them. 3. Bank of America. Bank of America is a well-known name in the banking business. The bank offers a variety of account options, and it has physical branches in thousands of places across the country. Bank of America's primary retail banking services include 2 checking account options and a savings account. These accounts are linked to a smartphone app, which allows users to pay bills, deposit checks, transfer money, and monitor account activity and balance at all times. Advantage Safe Balance and Advantage Plus are the 2 checking account alternatives available to students. Fees for both accounts are waived for eligible high school and college students. The primary distinction between the 2 accounts is that Advantage Plus has complete overdraft protection and check writing privileges, whilst Advantage Safe Balance does not. Students who maintain a minimum daily balance of $500 in their savings account will be exempt from the $8 monthly maintenance fee. Students under the age of 24 who are currently enrolled in school may also qualify for a waiver. What makes Bank of America great for students? While the APY, annual percentage yield, on the savings account is roughly 0.01%, it just takes a $100 initial deposit and allows students to round up all debit card purchases and deposit the difference through the bank's Keep the Change program. It's also worth noting that when a transaction exceeds their available balance, Safe Balance account holders are not charged overdraft fees. 4. PNC Bank. While PNC Bank's reach isn't as extensive as Chase Bank's or Bank of America's, the bank nonetheless has 2,600 locations and 9,000 ATMs spread across a dozen states. The Virtual Wallet Student is PNC's main product for students, and it's a 3-in-1 solution that includes a primary checking account, Spend, a short-term savings account, Reserve, and a long-term savings account, Savings, Growth. For the first 6 years after account opening, there is no monthly service charge. Virtual Wallet Student customers have access to a unique overdraft protection scheme that uses the Reserve and Growth accounts to cover the Spend account in the event of an overdraft. In other words, whenever you overspend from your primary checking account, your savings accounts cover the transaction. PNC's complete digital banking services for students are another outstanding aspect. You can use your mobile banking capabilities to send money instantly using Zelle, receive alerts, make mobile check deposits, and make contactless payments. What makes PNC Bank great for students? If there is one thing that distinguishes PNC Bank from its immediate competitors, it is the several useful features that come with the Virtual Wallet Student. The account includes a low cash mode, which assists you in avoiding overdraft penalties and staying on top of your finances at all times. The following items are included in the low cash mode: payment control, which allows you to select whether to pay or return payments made from your account, and extra time, which indicates how long you can retain a negative balance before being charged overdraft fees. Intelligent alerts, which notify you if your account balance falls below a certain threshold. 5. Ally Bank. Ally Bank, founded in 2009, is a completely online bank with no physical facilities. Accounts can be created in less than 5 minutes and require only a driver's license for identification. One advantage of not having any physical branches is that the bank can provide attractive interest rates. Ally Bank can provide full-service banking to consumers without demanding a minimum balance or incurring maintenance fees due to its minimal costs. Their banking services include checking and savings accounts as well as loans and commission-free trading. The bank account has no minimum starting deposit or monthly maintenance cost, and it includes various innovative features, such as the ability to deposit checks from mobile devices and transfer funds instantaneously via Zelle. Students are particularly drawn to their online savings account. In reality, the account provides a 0.50% annual percentage interest on all savings accounts, which is significantly greater than the national bank average. Deposits at Ally Bank, like those at traditional banks, are FDIC insured up to $250,000. What makes Ally Bank great for students? Ally Bank, being a bank that only operates online, can provide students with an excellent customer experience. Banking in person may not always be convenient, depending on where your college is located. Online banking saves you time and effort by allowing you to manage your funds from a distance. Nonetheless, Ally provides access to ATM services via the Allpoint network and reimburses its customers for fees charged while using other ATMs up to $10 every statement cycle. Final thoughts. As a college student, the bank you use matters a lot, as you're now fully in charge of your finances. So opening an account with a bank that doesn't pay enough attention to its student customers might cost you more than you know. We compare the top banks in the U.S., including the popular and less popular ones. We selected the top 5 based on monthly fees, overdraft policies, interest rates, initial deposit amount, minimum balance requirement, ATM networks, and online banking. Although there are other top banks that offer similar student-focused features like the ones in this video, you can confidently start with these 5. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe to get more helpful videos like this.